Hello everybody. So it's been a really long time. I think the last video that I uploaded where I was actually in front of the camera was back in September. So what's that? September, October, November, December, January, February, March. That's been 6 months since I uploaded a video with me in front of the camera, which is a really long time. I have been absent from YouTube for quite some time, as you can see. I mean, my last video I think I uploaded in December with my friend Ashley, but it's been a really long time since I have made a video for you guys, and it's something that wasn't, you know, like premeditated or thought out, or I knew I was gonna be taking a break. So this video is gonna be a little bit of a talkative video because I wanna give you guys a little bit of like a life update on what's been going on, why I was missing from YouTube for so long, because I've actually had so many people reach out to me saying, you know, are you okay? Like, I've been missing your videos, which is really heartwarming to me because, you know, when I started YouTube, I started it just because I had a love for makeup and I wanted to share my creativity and my love for makeup with all of you guys. When I started YouTube, I then started my business, and, you know, I have always loved doing videos solely for the whole like filming, editing process, and also mainly for just being really creative, you know, because I am in the bridal industry, I guess you could see, in the wedding industry, guess you could say. The thing that I love about bridal and bridal makeup is just, you know, the simplicity and the elegance of makeup looks when you do brides. And that's what I really got into makeup for with, you know, starting my business and everything, because I really loved the elegance and the simplicity and the timelessness of doing bridal makeup. But the one thing about bridal makeup is sometimes you can't really come out of your comfort zone and do creative things. And that's, again, a huge reason why I love doing YouTube, because I love being able to be creative, to do things that I can't normally do on a daily basis with work and everything. And so I love being able to share with you guys my love for makeup. And so being away for the last couple of months, like I said, it really showed me that you know, I do these videos honestly for my own purpose. I'm not a person who I think in any way, shape, or form is going to be making thousands and thousands of dollars here on YouTube. I do it mainly for the, you know, love of makeup and sharing with you guys makeup looks and reviewing products that I get and so on and so forth. And so, you know, when I started getting messages from you guys about like, I miss your videos and stuff like that, that really just, it makes me feel really good, because like I said, I just do videos to do them. I sit here in my living room or up in my beauty room and I share with you guys makeup looks that I've come up with, and I want to, you know, share with you guys on how you can create them for yourself. So, you know, when it comes to my business, the busiest months for me are always March through December. January and February, I have a little bit of like a break in the sense of I have weddings and I have appointments, but they're not as crazy as March and December, March through December. So January, February, I was like really excited because I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna get back to filming. The craziest months for me always are June, September, October, and November. They are always the craziest months for me. So when I was trying to film in September, October, November, I realized that I literally was I just had no time. I feel like, you know, even though my busiest days are Friday, Saturday, Sunday with weddings, the week just flies by no matter what. You know, I still have things that I'm doing during the week. I still actually, you know, book trials and do things with work during the week. And so like I literally have just like one day of the week to film, and either, you know, an appointment comes up or something comes up that I never got a chance to film. And, you know, it takes a while to film. It takes a while to edit. And so, you know, September, October, November, I just literally could not find the time to sit down and film. So that's why if you looked back at my videos, like a lot of my content was me behind the camera, because I never had time to like do my makeup or do anything. It was either do makeup and wait to edit for weeks, or don't do my makeup, film a quick video, do something that you guys requested, and then get to edit it really quick. That's why I had few videos between September and December, because like I said, my schedule was just so insane and busy. And I was looking forward so badly to doing holiday looks because it is my favorite time of year, as it is everybody's. And the holidays, you know, I love being creative and doing glitter and red lipstick and all the holiday looks. And then the other thing that was going on with me behind the scenes was that I was really starting to have issues with my skin. So if you guys have been a follower of mine and a watcher of mine for some time, you know that especially in this past year, I would say I really started to see a difference in my skin. I've always had like perfect skin all of my life, and I was starting to break out. I noticed it, like I said, looking back, I was starting to get breakouts like here and there throughout the year. I mainly think it had to do a lot with stress, with starting a business. You know, last year was my second year, but last year was like my first full year of doing weddings and doing makeup, and so I put a lot of stress and a lot of you know, just pressure, I think, on myself to make sure that I had a really good year and I did as much work as I possibly could. At the end of December, I should back up. End of November, I saw these skincare products on Instagram. I don't want to say the brand name on here because I don't want to like bash them, because everyone in the United States loves these products. They work for this one and this one who has cystic acne and acne scars. And, you know, like I said, it works for everybody in the United States of America. So I decided to buy the products because I was really upset with how my skin was looking. And as a makeup artist, you want your skin to look its best, because at the end of the day, it's kind of like you're the billboard for your makeup and for your business. And so I was starting to get so frustrated with my skin. So I stopped everything I was doing that was actually working for me. And I did these skincare products. It was like a mask, a toner, a couple of things. And I bought them on Black Friday, and I started using them at the end of December, and my skin just absolutely freaked out. And I know it was these products because I never break out on this side of my cheek or this side of my face, but my face like erupted. It was so bad. I actually tried to film a New Year's Eve makeup look, and I remember I was sitting in front of the Christmas tree and I was trying to film, and I was doing my makeup looks. I was waiting for my eyelashes to dry, and I looked in the viewfinder and I looked at my skin, and it was just huge red marks all over my face. And I was on the phone with my mom, and I actually like broke down in tears, and I stopped filming. I took the makeup off, and it was just really upsetting. If you're a person who suffers with acne, you know how in many forms it is like debilitating. You like lose sense of who you are. Like, I've always been a very, very confident person. I think you in some way have to be confident in who you are if you do videos like this and put them out to the public, you know what I mean? And put yourself out there with your makeup looks, everything like that. And so I was just finding that I was losing the confidence, and I was losing who I was as a person, and just the acne was like taking control of my life, like to the point where I would say to Steve, like, I don't want to go out with our friends anymore. I don't want to be seen in public. I don't want to go out to dinner. Like, that was when I realized to myself, like, there's something I have to do about this, because this is not me. I take progression photos of like my skin. I finally looked at my face and I'm like, okay, I'm done with this. So I threw out all the products I was using. I went back to basics with Proactive, which I always loved in high school. And it got my skin back to a good point. And this is a huge reason why at the end of the year and January and February, I really stopped filming, because I just knew that I could not face sitting in front of the camera. And it's not that, you know, it's like I said, the acne was a huge reason why. I feel like I am a person, like, I really don't give a you know what you think about me, but I knew personally it would be so upsetting to me to sit on the computer and edit my skin at a point where I hated it. Like, it was something I'm like, I'm not uploading this, because, you know, it's a horrible, you know, like I said, nobody's perfect, but it was just for me personally, like, I was just like, I can't upload this video. And so, like I said, I just stopped with filming. I stopped with everything because I really wanted to concentrate on getting my skin back to a really good place. And so I would love to do a good like skincare video with you guys, because, you know, my skin is not in any way, shape, or form 100% yet, but my acne has calmed down so tremendously, I should say, to the point where like I'm actually happy with how my skin looks. And it's weird because like I hated putting on my makeup, which is not me. I'm a makeup artist. I fell in love with doing bridal and makeup because it's fun. It really is fun. And every time I would have an appointment on the weekends, or every time I wanted to go out, like I just dreaded putting on makeup. And so for the majority of the last 3 months, I just stopped putting on makeup like during the week and everything. I only put on makeup when I had to, when I was seeing people like on the weekends. And like I said, that's a huge reason why I really stopped doing videos and filming, because I just could not bear to sit in front of the camera and be so vulnerable in a sense of like sharing my acne scars and what I was going through. Because like I said, I personally could not, I think I'm a very strong individual, but I don't think I was strong enough to share with you guys that was, you know, that was going on. And, you know, I've always been a huge like advocate for skincare, and I think that if your skin doesn't look good, your makeup's never gonna look good. So my skin was not looking good, so I'm like, why do I want to share a video and create a look that I don't love, because I don't love the way my skin is looking, you know what I mean? So that was another big huge half of why I also stopped with doing videos. And I actually did a virtual consultation with an esthetician. And like I said, if you guys want to see a skincare video of the products that I think have totally helped with my skin, let me know in the comments down below, because I think that would be a really great video to do, because I know what it feels like to be at the lowest point and now be at a point where I'm like, okay, yeah, my skin isn't absolutely perfect at all, because I mean, if you look, I still have some scarring underneath my makeup. I'm not the kind of person to like load makeup on. Like I said, you can still see some scars underneath my makeup, which I'm perfectly fine with now. But my skin is at a really, really good place. Like I was at a point where I was breaking out every other day, or every day pretty much, like for literally no reason. And now after starting this new skincare routine, I think it's been about 2 weeks, I broke out once, which is huge. Huge for me. So to me, I'm happy right now. And so I'm finally back to filming videos. I mean, I'm sure it's not gonna be a constant, because like I said, I think my skin still is not at all perfect. So maybe I'll do some videos with reviewing products or doing this thing, that thing. I don't know what that means. And then as my skin slowly gets a little bit better, then I'll get back into doing makeup tutorials. So that was really a huge reason, and between work and my skin, a huge reason as to why I was like missing from YouTube. So like I said, it wasn't anything that I had planned. Believe me, I did not plan to have horrible skin for the last 3-4 months. But I just wanted to come on here and do another video. I finally had the opportunity to sit here and do a video, and so I really wanted to come on here and let you guys know what's been going on, because like I said, the comments that I've been getting have been really heartwarming from you guys, like you missed my videos and where have I been. So I want to do a little bit of a life update for you guys, so you know what's been going on. So yeah, that's kind of my whole story. It's March, so it's getting back into the craziness of weddings. So I'm hoping that, you know, I can get at a point where like I'm filming once a week or once every other week or something. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much my little bit of a life update. Everything else is pretty much the same in life. Work, and Steve's still around, and Penny is chewing on a bone right now. Chanel's sleeping, thank God. And Savannah's upstairs, I think, on patrol, watching if any trucks come down the hill. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and also taking interest in knowing what's been going on lately, for noticing that I was missing also. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna film another video now on a Q&A, because you guys have really been requesting that for months. So I'm gonna do that for you guys right now. So check back on my channel for that. It'll probably be up in like a day or two, so I can get these 2 videos up for you guys. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.